So my name is Roman Sestier. I'm the co-founder and CEO of StackOne. GoLinks has become an addictive thing. And I used to work at Google. So for me, I actually did like search for, does that exist outside of Google? And so I was very pleasantly surprised, initially used it just for myself when we founded the company, and then started creating GoLinks for literally everything and shared it with the team. And now the vast majority of the team use it. I think what I like most about GoLinks specifically is the ability to keep everyone focused on one. Like, for example, we have Go/OKRs. Go/OKRs will always point to the latest OKRs, so we don't have to constantly be sharing things, worrying about versions. I think that idea of versioning and changing where the pointer goes, it sounds like a silly thing, but it's actually very crucial. I think that's one of the best selling points for me. Oh, 100%. I have already, and I will again.